Alright, so I'm going to attempt to lower the centerboard on the Mariner. And so if we look here, I don't know what they're called, but there's two rollers in the center of the trailer underneath the board. I'm going to remove those before I drop that off. I'm going to try the motorcycle jack first. We do have a car jack, it's just that long handle might be in the way. So I'm going to roll this guy under there, get it up in place to support the rear of the centerboard, or the tip of the centerboard, and drop that roller and see if we can gently bring it down. So I don't have room to make a traditional stand that I've seen other people use. So okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm worried that sliding it out, I might scuff up or damage inside the centerboard trunk, I think it's called. Centerboard box. But we'll do it carefully and see if I can't avoid that from happening. So we're gonna continue here. I'm on the motorcycle jack here. Oops, wrong one. I'm just gonna hold this. I'm gonna slowly lower. Oops, the jack. Nice and easy. Unfortunately, this thing is in a bad position, and this might be dropping. Nice and easy. Easy does it. Okay. And it's sliding off. Now, and so there's definitely, oh, actually, there might be enough clearance. No, not quite. There's not enough clearance to slide this out. But what I'm going to do, behind me, I've got my engine jack out. I'm going to put a towing strap underneath the rear of the boat towards the stern. And then I'm gonna jack up the rear end of the boat, and that should get enough clearance for this to be slid back out. And I might, if I can get clear of the boat, probably lay it flat on these rollers and roll it out onto a furniture dolly. Reinstallation we'll think about later, because I'll probably need two people, just the way that this is set up. So yeah, let me go ahead and I'm gonna get the boat jacked up here. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the rear slightly lifted by that engine hoist. I just got the centerboard bolt out. It was kind of a pain because someone had painted over the thread, so it took some struggling and cleaning up to get it going, and it popped right out. And so let's go drop the centerboard, and hopefully this goes smoothly. I'm not sure I'll be able to put it in the same way it comes out, so I might have to revert back to the traditional method, or from what I've seen other people do with the wooden stand. But let's see, I think I'm going to be able to slide it back. If I can keep it at this angle, which I have one of the rollers set over there, and then I have a motorcycle jack with a cinder block and wood. If I keep it at this angle, looks like I could slide it back, and then I'll set it, if I can get it back, I'll put a furniture dolly here to get it laid down on, and it's kind of, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's in bad shape. We'll see how deep the corrosion goes. We'll take off what we can. May need another centerboard, but we'll see. We'll see how well this cleans up, how deep the pitting is. Got a little redundancy with the engine stands, the engine jack stands under the trailer just in case. Try to be in a spot. It's kind of crush proof. Okay, that's not bad actually. Well, no, I just got stuck. Oh. Damn it. I may have got myself in a pinch. Okay. The GoPro died, but it looks like I've got the centerboard mostly dropped. I'm gonna go ahead and say that this is not going to go back in this way. But I guess coming out could be worse. This is less than ideal. All right, so this is the centerboard. Used to be 165 pounds of iron. I believe it's 165 pounds, but by the time we get all this corrosion off, inevitably there's gonna be a weight loss. We'll see how much it weighs after. I'm gonna put it in a time lapse and slowly work away at it with a wire wheel. Let me go get the one that I bought real quick. All right, so I'm gonna put this in my grinder. Now this was only $5-6 from Harbor Freight. Home Depot sells a Milwaukee brand. It was like $23, and I ended up buying that one. But I just hate to spend 23 bucks on a wire wheel. This one's knotted where they're spun. I twisted up for heavy removal. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see if it gets to the job for $5. So got my respirator, put some goggles on, earplugs, and I'm gonna get away. Using the old ice cream machines, soft serve machines as a stand for working the centerboard. It fell over. I'm going to put it up on the Seahorses. I almost sold my engine stand to swap the engine on my truck. Now I don't need it, but now having it.